welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. I'm doing something a little different today. I went shopping and I purchased some items and I've started putting them where they go. Some of the items I purchased earlier this week, but I just want to show you where I placed some of the items, and the rest of it I'll lay it out and show you what I got and what my plans are for them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and turn the camera around and get started. So here's the kitchen area. This is like a walkthrough so you can kind of see from this angle what's going on in the hearth room, or what we call the sitting area. I don't think anything is new on the table, but I do have some items right there that I'm going to share with you all. So if you look, let's get a little closer. All right, so let me do it from this angle. And as you can see, this is really a vase, but I have it turned upside down and I'm using it as a cloche. You've seen this candle before. I'm just burning it. I moved one over here and I placed one on the dining table over there. These beads here, I got them from Home Goods. I moved these flowers over here. This is a new tray. I got it from Home Goods. It was $19.99, as well as these two candle lanterns or candle holders with the lucite in them. I really like that. So I'm going to put some candles in them. As you can see, they were $39.99. And let me show you this coffee table book. It is really pretty. So let me open it up and see. It was $19.99. It still has the tag. I hate when they do that. Look how pretty that is. It's called Storied Interiors. There's just some good stuff in here. I'll just show you a couple pages, but it's a pretty, it's one of those books I would definitely break open. I just have the cover on it for now, so we're just gonna place that there. I already had this, and just throw that up there. I'll take the tags off later, but I just wanted you all to see how I styled that. On the bottom, I did go ahead and order a glass because the glass that was there was missing or it was broke, but I went ahead and ordered the replacement glass. So I have those two books on the bottom waiting for that. Now over here on the sofa, I had all of these items. I pulled this from the guest bedroom. And I got this pillow. I'll show you the other one from Gallerie. I ordered it Saturday and it came yesterday evening. What's that? Yesterday was Thursday, so it came pretty quick. Yeah. Over here on the side table, all of this is old. These two pieces, I got it previously, but I didn't share it in the haul. I got it from Home Goods. I've even seen it float around on Instagram. The big one was, I believe, $16.99, and this one was $12.99. Sometimes I leave the tags on it just so I can remember how much I paid for it. Give you one more glimpse of the coffee table area. I don't know about this pillow. It seems like it's a little bit too much. Or it could be this pillow not working for it. But we're gonna leave it there for now. Give you another glimpse. Yeah. I just moved these two pillows over here for now. I am on the lookout for some bar stools, some that are comfortable. I did buy some from Ballard Designs, but they were not comfortable. They just look good. They kind of blend with the area, but they were not comfortable. And I just set my ginger jars over here because my husband always tends to set dirty dishes over here when we come from outside. And this is where we kind of keep the clean dishes. So I set it there just so he can stop putting dishes over here. Even if he placed them here or in the sink before we wash them, I'm okay with that. But Who wants dirty dishes near your clean dishes? And another thing, we're working on getting our backsplash redone. I've already picked out some tile that I like. Now back over to here. Now I did say that there's nothing new on the table, but there is. I went ahead and washed these. I have 2 on the floor. These wine glasses. I am getting ready to move into my Christmas decor, and that's part of why I started painting in here and I moved the chairs out. It's because I'm getting ready for Christmas. And with that being said, this is a Christmas napkin holder as well as this napkin. I already had these are some dollar store plates. I just love this charger. I already had the silver one on the bottom, but this one, there was a lady, I met her and another lady, and she bought the 6, and I walked around and found these 2, which 2 can work for me for now, but maybe sometime in the future I'll find the other. I'm not big on tablescapes anyway, but it looks good in here. This table is a 60-inch table, and I'm just going to have 4 chairs on it. And if you haven't seen the video yet, I will link it, and just showing you how I got to this place, which is not the end. This came from Home Goods probably 5 or 6 years ago. Of course, the napkins, I think they came from Home Goods or Target. Can't remember. Had them for a while as well. Those pillows I've already had. I showed them in the haul. I just moved this lamp from another room into here, as well as the lamp that was there, I moved it over there. I'm going to set the camera down and show you the rest of the items that I have purchased, and we'll just go over them. Right, I have everything pulled out now, and I just want to break it down and show you what I got. So there are some items there, over here in the floor. Have these items, so let's just go over it. These plates, I got the chargers and the salad plates, and they were $7.99. I did get 2 sets of these, and I found 8 of the chargers. It looks like it's cracked, but it's just the paper. I purchased 8 of these and 8 of those. You know what? I didn't even think about I would probably need 8 of these, but I got 4 and 4. So I got 4 and 4 of these, and they were like $2.99, $3.99. And these were $2.99. So got 4 and 4. I went ahead and got the red for not only Christmas, but Valentine's Day as well. Also got these. They're going over in that area. And let's go over to here. This tablecloth was $12.99. My goal is to use it to make napkins. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the napkins I have or just break them down and make napkins out of them. Also got this color because, of course, this is the color I'm bringing in. So I got this and this. I'm planning on doing a few DIYs. So I got the reindeer. Then I also got these from Hobby Lobby. Last year I tried to get some at the last minute, and I only came out with 1 box. These were, of course, 40% off. So I paid $4.80 for 2 of those. These came from Home Goods, $12.99. Got this one, and it was $16.99. This charger, I purchased 4 of them. And that's funny because they come in sets of 4, but they're sold individually at the store. But they are on sale. I think the set was like $38, something like that. And these candles, of course, are the bling. I got 3 of them, and they are probably going to go on the fireplace. So this is what's wrapped into here. Into there. So it's that. So But they're losing the little things. I'll probably go back and put a coat of Mod Podge on them. We're gonna move right over here. So in the box, I have the extra pillow that I purchased, and these napkin rings were on clearance for $5, I believe. And those are the rest of the plates. All of this came from Gallerie, along with the chargers. So that came from Gallerie. This was so cute to me. It is a decanter. I got that. Of course, something else to add to the bar cart, as well as this tray. And it was $29.99. It's really, really pretty. And I also found these drapes. They are so pretty. And they're the Tahari Home collection, set of 2. They're 108 inches, and they were $59.99. It really goes well in here. I got them to go in the bedroom down the hall, but I think I'm going to try them out in here and see how they look. Oh yeah, let me show you. Let's see how that'll look up there. Let's see how this will look. Do this. I can dig it. I can dig it. And I do have to get some candles for these here. But yeah, I like that. I can dig that. We can actually put them up there now. So we'll get the other 2. And put them right on up here for now. I'm gonna come back and take the tag off. I do need to put another layer of Mod Podge because they are definitely losing the little crystal things. But yeah, I think that looks cute like that. I'll fix the bow on them. Yeah. We got Christmas and fall mixed together. Hey, let me clean all of this stuff up, and I may show you a picture of the drapes hang. But I do want to see how they look. So let me go ahead and get started. The rag, it will work better in the bedroom. Yeah, it's too busy for the rug. I think it'll work a little better in the bedroom. Alrighty. Oh yes, I forgot something. Let me show y'all this wallpaper and this towel for the guest bathroom. So that is the wallpaper. It's like it's got more silver in it, a little taupe, a little gold, cream. So that's going in the guest bathroom. This is the towel. I'm thinking about just doing one towel wall where the mirror would be, but that is the towel. All right, everyone, that's the end of this video. If you haven't already and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post more videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.